Hey, Cracker Radio, this is Mr. Hager, and today we are going to talk about how to download some sound effects audio clips. There is a freesound.org website that I have logged into. I have logged into it with the HTV account, so I can log you in to like the radio computer once we get that up and running, or computers up in the studio. I'm not going to give you the password, but I can log you in so that you can grab some sound clips from this. Anyways, what are sound clips? What are sound effects clips? Basically, they are various things. Let's do boom. So they're basically sound clips that have all kinds of different sounds recorded. All kinds of stuff. There's like under boom, there's like over 3,000. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff down here. I actually like this one. A lot of reverb, a lot of big bass. Anyways, as you can see, you can preview all these sounds. You can do a search for the description, and you know, like bang. There's another one, explosion. Oh yeah. That would be awesome. Here's another explosion. Whoa, it's breaking glass. Alright, so you can see all of these could be used with our radio IDs, our radio jingles. How do you download them? Well, if you're logged in, you can actually go to the sound effect page. So this one is called explosion_01. All right, and you can play it. Actually, you know what? I kind of like the breaking glass one. Let's do this one. Yeah, there's some breaking glass in there. Anyways, and just click on download. It's going to download to your downloads folder. So if I go down to my folder here and go into downloads, you will see that this is the audio clip. It's a little MP3 file, and that is what we can put into our Audacity files. We build our different jingles and all of that. So I'm just going to go back with let's go explosion, some more explosions, cinematic boom norm. That one's pretty low. Whoa. All right. How about, you know what, some like electronic. No. Yeah, that you might be able to use that. No. Let's see here. By the way, if you don't stop it, it just continues to play. Some of these are pretty long. That doesn't really work. How about a whoosh? Okay, a whoosh is just like this. All right, but I kind of want a big one. That's kind of cool. Let me see here. I could see us using that. Let me download that one. All right, I'm going to download that. All right, they're asking for a donation. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go back here, see if there's any other ones that we want. What's this one? Whoa, that one's a quick one. So each one of these has, you know, different little, like, I don't know if you call them hashtags or little links. How about a poof? It's kind of the same. Smoky bomb, parachute poof. Sweep. So I'm just kind of going around and checking this. Ah, that's kind of cool. I could see that. I could see that kind of a low volume in the background. I'm going to do that. So there we go. I'm going to download this. So I just downloaded 3 different things. And in the next video, I will show you how to take those different sound effects and put them into Audacity.